Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you how to limit who can see your bio on Telegram to only your contacts. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your privacy and control who has access to your bio information. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app opens, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram options. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various options. Scroll down and tap on Settings to access the Telegram settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, look for Privacy and Security. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Once you're inside the Privacy and Security settings, scroll down and find the Bio option. Tap on it to configure your bio privacy settings. Step 6. Among the available options, select My Contacts to limit who can see your bio to only your contacts. By following these steps, you can have peace of mind knowing that only your contacts will have access to your bio information on Telegram, giving you better control over your privacy. Limiting who can see your bio to only your contacts ensures that your personal information is shared with trusted individuals, enhancing your privacy and security on the platform. We hope you found this full guide on how to limit who can see your bio to only your contacts helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy maintaining your privacy on Telegram by limiting who can see your bio to only your contacts.